Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about how to fix a crack in concrete. I know how frustrating it can be to see cracks forming over time. But don't worry, we've got you covered. First, let's take a look at the crack. You'll want to clean out any debris or loose concrete from the crack. We use wire brush to clean that. And then we'll take a look at the ingredients you'll need to make concrete. You'll need sand, cement, and water. The cement acts as a binder and the water activates the cement and allows it to harden. To make concrete, you need to mix the ingredients in the right proportions. The most common ratio is 3 parts sand to 1 part cement. Don't forget a little bit of water too. As you mix the ingredients, you'll want to add water gradually until you get the right consistency. Once you have your ingredients measured out, you can mix them together in a concrete mixer. If you don't have a mixer, you can also mix the ingredients by hand in a wheelbarrow or on a tarp. The concrete should be wet enough to pour, but not so wet. With fresh concrete, we fill the gaps. As you see, we didn't use any filler. After you've poured the concrete, you'll want to smooth it out and make sure it's level. And that's it. In case you missed to fill some gaps, don't worry, you can do it now. You can use a brush to wipe the surface. Your crack is now fixed and your concrete looks as good. Just make sure to let the repair material dry completely. If you find this video useful, support me by clicking subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.